Charles Osborne holds the world record for the longest hiccuping spree, an astonishing 68 years, starting in 1922 and ending in 1990. This unusual medical phenomenon is a mix of humor and heartbreak, as Osborne endured approximately 430 million hiccups throughout his life. His condition began without warning one day, and despite seeking various treatments, the hiccups persisted for nearly 7 decades. The story of Charles Osborne remains a testament to the unpredictable nature of the human body and continues to fascinate those who hear about his relentless battle with this involuntary reflex.